trending news. See why Obaseki might be sacked despite being declared winner. Lanto declared. An online user has opened that Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State could still be sacked by the court order despite being declared winner by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) in the September 19th Edo State governorship election, owing to some reasons is shared. The user with the Facebook handle Lanto used the case of the sacked Imo governor Emeka Ihedioha to make his points. The Facebook post read in parts, "The AA case at the Supreme Court that started on the 26th of June 2020 finally came to an end on the 29th of June 2020, even though they are no longer interested in the suit. In the last gubernatorial election at Imo State, the Supreme Court nullified Uche Nwosu's nomination in AA on the account that he had contested for nomination under APC. According to the Supreme Court Justice, the law forbids anyone to contest for nomination under two or more parties in the same election, or even started the process of being nominated by procuring the nomination form. Obaseki had contested for nomination under APC and PDP in this same Edo 2020 gubernatorial election. He is technically on offside position of play. If the APC chooses to challenge his election at the court of law, then the Supreme Court might sack him, citing Uche Nwosu's case as reference. In line with Supreme Court judgment and interpretation of contest of primary election in a political party according to electoral law. 1. When an aspirant obtained an expression of interest and paid the fees as required by the party. 2. When an aspirant obtained the party nomination form and paid the required fees by the party. 3. When the aspirant submits himself or herself to the authority of the party for screening and other processes thereafter, then the aspirant is deemed to have contested in that political party and therefore not eligible to contest same election in another political party. Governor Obaseki has contested Edo State governorship election in APC and was disqualified. In the eyes of the law and according to the ruling of the Supreme Court Justice, he is no longer eligible to contest the same election in any political platform. This is why the Supreme Court might disqualify him and remove him from the seat of governorship and put in the rightful person to be there. Thank you, viewers, for listening to this news. Wow. I think this writer wrote this article comparing Obaseki with Uche Nwosu, that is Emeka Ihedioha. Note that in the case of the Imo State, Emeka Ihedioha contested and failed. It failed the primaries, whereas in the case of Obaseki, he wasn't given any chance to contest. He was totally disqualified. So it's a different case entirely. It's not the same. It's not the same case. It's not at all. It's a different case entirely. But come to think of it, why didn't the Supreme Court make this decision or think about all this before they announced Obaseki as a winner of the election? Why is it now that they have announced and declared him winner that they are coming up with this stupid information about being sacked or about being or for decamping for the campaign to PDP from APC. They would have done that. They would have screened him well. They would have talked about all this before declaring him as the governor of Edo State. And again, instead of people to learn from this article, they are busy insulting the writer. You people will never learn. Learn from this, so that when any of your family also go through this, or you go through this, or your children or your family go through this, then you will know what to say. You can give them ideas. This is true. This is the reason why Obaseki might be removed from the seat by the Supreme Court. This is the reason why Obaseki is using Edo State brains and looting Edo State blindly, using social media as tools to deceive Edo people. Then we will keep trying to live in. They will keep trying to live in fool's paradise until POI takes over with his simple agenda. So the Edo people should be careful and be wise. They should be at alert with all this. The Supreme Court are right. I think they shouldn't have even waited for Supreme Court again when the writer has already finished the judgment. They just go ahead and tell Obaseki to go home, to leave the seat. Since they are thinking of sacking Obaseki because of this reason. Yes, so they should do that with immediate effect. So my question is, even if this is being done and Obaseki is removed, who would they replace him with? Who? Hope has lost hope in the trouble coming in between November and December 2020. I think I'm so concerned about Obaseki. We don't know what will happen next. Are you sure the Supreme Court have decided to sack him? I'm not sure about that. But there's no one else will replace Obaseki. No one. I don't know what to say again. The writer has said it. Viewers, what is your own take on this news? Do you believe what the writer says, or you don't believe? Your comment concerning this news will be appreciated if you can drop them below the comment box. If you can click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to receive updates, it will be better for you. Also share and like this news as well. Thank you as you do. Have a pleasant day. Bye.